How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Here, click on the profile at the top right. Scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Navigation. Then you'll find Guidance, Volume. Make sure it's louder. And Mute States, Unmuted. And then you can turn on Play over Bluetooth, Play Voice during phone calls. And after you turn this on, your voice navigation is turned on. And this is how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.